In this section, we're shifting gears. Rather than me walking you through each step, it's now up to you to bring everything together that you have learned so far in this course. Your task is to create your own product portfolio using all the tools and techniques you've learned so far. Here's what you'll need to do. Start by creating your own product portfolio using ChatGPT. As of this recording, the free version still offers daily limited access to image generation, though this may change in the future. To give you more flexibility, I'll also show you an alternative free version of ChatGPT that's integrated directly into the Bing browser. This version currently supports image generation too, but just like the main version, this feature might also be subject to change over time. If you're one of the students who didn't create your own product during the earlier modules, or if you simply don't feel like doing it now, you're welcome to reuse the GroomTech product portfolio we've been working with throughout this course. That said, I still encourage you to give it a try and create your own product portfolio. Even if it's just a small set of mock products, going through the creative process yourself will help reinforce everything you've learned throughout the course. It's a great way to build confidence, experiment with ideas, and make the final project truly your own. Once you've created your products, upload the images to ChatGPT. From there, you can generate engaging product descriptions and a voiceover script that fits your brand tone or audience. Next, head over to voicemaker.in. Using the free version, paste in your voiceover script and generate your AI narration. Once all that is done, return to PowerPoint and start bringing your portfolio to life using everything you've learned in the course: animations, effects, and transitions. This is your opportunity to apply it all creatively. You can use the PowerPoint I created for this module as a reference or template, but I won't walk through it step by step. Instead, try to reverse engineer the setup in the animation pane if you want to follow the same style. That approach will challenge and sharpen your skills. And finally, once your product slides are looking sharp and your narration is synced, it's time to record your presentation as a video. I'll walk you through how to do that in one of the upcoming sessions.